Well, I only have 9 hours on this thing. Never even took it trail riding, but my sway bar already shifted. I heard about this stuff online. I did not think it would happen that fast, especially without trail riding. But sway bar shifted about an inch. You can see the grease marks. You can see the spacing away from this spring versus spacing on that spring. You can see the grease mark over there as well. Shifted a good inch. And I think I know why. On a sway bar bushing, you're not supposed to add grease onto the inside because the rubber is supposed to obviously grip the sway bar. You're supposed to add the grease on the outside between the bracket and the bushing to avoid squeaking, not on the inside. They put it on the inside for Polaris for some reason. That was really dumb on Polaris's part. And I grabbed the sway bar and look at this. Got a little more force, so just like sliding. And to no surprise, like I said, it is greased. Obviously it's gonna slide and it's gonna hit my spring, and I don't want that to happen. So, oh wow, it already happened. Never mind, spoke too soon. My spring has already been rubbed on. So I'm gonna take this to Polaris. If they don't take care of it, I'm gonna upgrade these bushings, take the grease off, and put a tighter bushing on here. I mean, it's really easy to swap these bushings out, but something to keep an eye out. Like I said, this machine is pretty much brand new. Only has 9 hours, and the only riding I've done is in my backyard and a little bit of plowing. Nothing too crazy. You can tell just by looking how clean the machine is. So something to look out for is a bigger problem than I thought. If you have an 850, keep an eye on that sway bar bushing. And if I were to go back in time, I would probably just unbolt this myself and just take the grease off from the get-go if it's a split bushing. And it does look like it's a split bushing over here. So let me know if you have the same problem. Let me know what you do to remedy it, or if Polaris fixed it for you. I'll be curious to see. Thanks for watching. Peace.